Hello guys, welcome to the session. Today we will discuss about how to get data sets, how to use them efficiently, how to perform ETL extractions like extract, transform and load datasets in efficient manner. Most of the Colab users have this doubt how to use dataset present in the hard disk from Colab. First we will look into that part. Drive helps us in this situation. The first step, you need to upload your dataset into your Drive account. Now open Colab and create a new notebook. Connect your notebook to hosted runtime and import Drive from Google.Colab module and mount Google Drive file stream at content/drive. After running this cell, you will get an URL for authorization. Click on the URL obtained below. Select Google account where your dataset is saved, and it will ask you to allow or not. Press allow to access Drive file stream. It will provide you with an authentication code. Copy and paste it in Colab. You can see here, now your drive is mounted at content/drive under my drive directory.